folks, it's me Alanna Nicole here. Today's presentation will be about nitrofurans. We'll discuss everything there is to know about them, its pharmacokinetics, its mechanism of action, and many more. What are nitrofurans then? The term nitrofurans refers to several synthetic chemotherapy agents or compounds with a broad antimicrobial spectrum. However, only a few of these have shown to be effective in animal chemotherapy. These compounds are derived from 5-nitrofuran and exhibit antimicrobial activity as it contains a furan ring to which a 5-nitro group is attached. Furan ring refers to a heterocyclic organic compound that has a pentagon-shaped aromatic ring consisting of 4 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Meanwhile, a 5-nitrofuran are prodrugs that require reductive activation in a redundant manner to exert their antibacterial effects. Furthermore, nitrofurans are active against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria such as Salmonella, Coccidia, etc., although their efficacy is unremarkable in comparison to other antimicrobial chemotherapy drugs. After learning what are nitrofurans, we will move and discuss the drug's movement through the body. Compared to other compounds, nitrofurans are known for having a very slight water solubility. How we administer it can be orally or topically. As for oral absorption, it is enhanced when administered with feed and is widely distributed throughout the body but in low concentrations. Nevertheless, some are not absorbed at all the GI tract and are so swiftly removed that they reach inhibitory concentrations only in the urine. Moreover, no nitrofurans is effective systematically. Moving to its mechanism of action, the nitrofurans seem to hinder the beginning of the translation process in addition to inhibiting a variety of other microbial enzyme systems, including those that are involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates. Nonetheless, their fundamental mode of action or basic mechanism has not yet been elucidated. With nitrofurans, protein synthesis, aerobic energy metabolism, DNA and RNA synthesis, and cell wall synthesis are inhibited. As for the mammalian cells, it takes a long time to convert it into metabolite, hence toxicity is not significant. Rather than types, I'll discuss here the 4 parent compounds that comprise the nitrofuran class, and this includes the first, we have the furazolidone, which is primarily used orally to treat bovine mastitis as well as strangles in horses. Second, we have the furaltazone, followed by the nitrofurazone, which is primarily used in the treatment of bovine mastitis, metritis, skin burns, and wound infections. And lastly, we have the nitrofurantoin, which is primarily used as a urinary antiseptic for the prevention and treatment of urinary tract infection or UTI in small animals. And these 4 classes I mentioned are all broad-spectrum antibiotics that contain a 5-nitrofuran ring structure. And on the final note, that concludes my presentation on nitrofurans.